In this video, it's time I make you a gin classic that will most likely become a favorite. And that drink is a white lady. The next time you go to a bar and the bartender asks you, "What can I get you?" be sure to ask for a white lady. There's a 30% chance the bartender assumes you're asking for a cocktail. And real fast, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button as the support really helps the channel out. Anyways, there are two ways to make this delicious drink, the one without egg white and the one with egg white. And hopefully by the end of this video, you're able to decide which path to choose. So let's get to the bar and make this. For this drink, of course, you'll need gin. And in this case, I'm using this bottle of Citadel gin. Next, you'll need an orange liqueur. And in this case, I'm gonna be using this bottle of Royal Orange. Additionally, you'll need freshly squeezed lemon juice and simple syrup. And for the egg white version, you'll of course need egg whites. There's no wrong answer when it comes to egg whites. Some people prefer to actually crack an egg. I like the more measured approach and less mess. And the tools you need for this drink are a shaker set and a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar, as well as in this cocktail, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, I'll be adding 2 ounces of gin. Next, I'll measure out a ½ ounce of orange liqueur. Now I need 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And lastly, measure out a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Now add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until the shaker is nice and chilled. Pull out a chilled coupe glass and strain everything in. Okay, now I'll set this drink aside and I'll make the egg white version so I can compare. Again, starting with the shaker, I'll be adding 2 ounces of gin. Now add the ½ ounce of orange liqueur. Add in the 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Measure out a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. And now add an egg white, or in my case, 3 tablespoons of egg white, which typically equals 1 egg white. Now add ice to your shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds, or again, until the shaker is nice and chilled. Pull out a chilled coupe glass and strain everything in. And there you have it, 2 delicious looking white ladies. Cheers. The first one I'm gonna try is, of course, the original. This is a very lemon and gin forward drink. There is an element of sweetness to it, but it's not necessarily something I would order. If I want something this gin forward, I'm just gonna order a gin martini. Now let's try the one with egg whites. I will say the egg whites definitely mellow out the drink. Instead of having a very lemon and gin forward drink, there is a subtle lemon and gin, but it's a very velvety finish. Either way, I'm not sure if I really enjoy each version of the cocktail, but if I had to choose a winner, I'm gonna go for the more balanced approach with the one with egg white. But to each their own, and everyone's a critic. So in the comments, let me know if you tried this drink. If you tried it, do you love it, do you hate it? Let me know. And additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button as I put out new videos and shorts each week. I truly appreciate the support. And until next time, cheers.